Is that a frog? We one with 150 pounds, and the other one we have is like 130.
It's a lot of exercise.
He's beautiful.
Thank you.
And so much more well behaved than us.
Yes, so much more behaved.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you.
That was Apollo.
Alright, come on, puppy.
Are you done? Puppy dog.
Sit down. Maybe puppy dog.
Caesar, you have treat.
Guess not.
So beautiful.
Get in there.
Cookie.